Facing trouble liking videos on TikTok with your iPhone? This could be due to account restrictions, a weak internet connection, or TikTok flagging suspicious activity. In this video, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix the issue of not being able to like videos on TikTok. Let's dive in. Before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check TikTok like limit. TikTok has a like limit of 500 likes per day. If you exceed this limit, you will not be able to do it again. So what you need to do, open up the TikTok app, then tap on the profile icon below. After that, tap the heart icon in the middle on the right. Now tap on a video and then uncheck the heart. In this way, keep on checking videos one after the other. After doing this, try to like a new video. Solution 2. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then tap on the 3 lines from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. Solution 3. Offload TikTok app. Open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Next, tap on TikTok, then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your TikTok issue is fixed now. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.